Spears Computer World here, reviewing the Andromo uh, software that allows you to create an Android app within minutes. As you can see here, I've logged into my Andromo account, and I am here with a list of my projects as well as some subscription information, the ability to create a new project. You can spread the word about the Andromo app maker here via Twitter, LinkedIn, Google+, Tumblr, Facebook. Now, this app for Spears Computer World, my company, I built it 11 days ago. As you can see, it is a small file, which is pretty good and lightweight on your system here. And so what I want to show you is the things that you will look forward to once you're trying to build that app that you desire. So you put in your app name, the app version, so the app name, the app version, your target market, which in this case for us is Google Play. You can also go to the Amazon App Store, Samsung apps as well. Whatever category that you are looking to go into, that's what you select. Also, your package, I just keep it the same because I don't want to mess anything up. And then your custom package, if you know what you're doing, you should go for it. If not, leave it alone. Then as far as your privacy policy and advertising terms, I just simply put a simple message in just saying that we are a web design and product review company. We respect the privacy of all of our users. Even though you will have a setting in the app that allows us to collect information for analytics only. In no way would we try to steal your identity. And so we want to know how the app is performing, and any developer wants to know how their app is performing. So you want to know, okay, what's the nuts and bolts? How do I dig into Andromo? How do I get my app to look a certain way? How do I get into it? Well, the developers of Andromo make it quite simple for you. You're able to add an activity here. You're able to add an about section, an audio player, a contact, a custom page, email, Facebook, etc., as you can see here. And of assortment of things here, which is amazing to get your app going. We'll kind of show you here shortly after we kind of show you some of the basics here on what our app looks like. And so we'll do pictures. We'll even load the APK where if you're an Android user, you can get a hands-on with the Spears Computer World app, and you can see how Andromo works. And then in turn, the developers of Andromo have been generous enough to allow us to select a subscriber or a reader of our blog to get a premium subscription, which allows you to do what you can't do in the basics, and that is very generous for them to do so. Big shout out to Andromo for allowing us to do that. But digging right back into here, you're able to add your podcast. That's one thing that we added. We added our Facebook page so that people can go and like us on Facebook, and even our videos for YouTube. You can also visit our sites where we have our reviews. You can also do RSS feeds, which are updated on a regular basis, in which you'll be able to put that information in, and your users or your readers or your app users will be able to stay up to date on any of your news. And so us personally, we like to view our website, which we can put our URL in, because it gives our fans, our readers, the whole site where they can look at the reviews, they can see what we have going on. And then if you want your users to be able to contact you, that's one thing that we have. We've put our information there, and then also the gallery, which allows you to upload pictures. So thing about it is, once you upload those pictures, you're able to push an update for your users to be able to see the most recent published pictures that you have. And then for me personally, if you're I'm not all about the styles and stuff, but if you're one that wants to style, depending upon your logo colors, I kept mine pretty basic. I didn't do anything really different, but just for the sake of this, you can go in and check out some of the things that you can load up here, like your action logo, your action bar logo image that you want to show, and then even the action bar theme if you wanted to keep it dark light with the dark action bar, etc., as you can read there. And then amongst other things, like keeping the action bar style either solid or transparent. And so as you can see, we kept ours transparent. Okay, and then the dashboard. You get to select if you want to go with classic, list, button, or grid. Here you'll see the different types that you're able to display for your dashboard. For our site, we did the classic. I do kind of like the list, but the classic I like because it shows the actual icon for each type of page or section on your app. And then you have the list, which is pretty cool. And then the button grid, which I think is pretty awesome and neat, which is probably my second best. And then the gallery, which you can go in and give your app some life as well. And so once you do that, you can add also your own background image. You can set it to be repeat, mirror, or not tiled. Then for your dashboard header, we don't have a dashboard header, so you can show that in portrait mode. For me, I just kept it basic. For you that want to get down to detail, you can do so. One thing that you will enjoy is the monetization tab here, which allows you to sell your app for free but get paid by putting ads on your app. Now this is one thing that we have not set up or made the effort to set up, but it can be done. You can put Amazon banners on your app. They'll be embedded in your app. You can also go and sign up for the different ad banners here from these different companies that you see here and start making money. And so the good thing about this is that you can gain from it if you want to sell an app for free, especially if you're just showing some news updates, blog updates. Most of your money will be able to come from your ads. And then the services that you want, I was able to put my Google Analytics information on here, and you'll be able to do the same. And then when it's all said and done, okay, you'll be able to build. But before that, let me backtrack. The AirPop push message notification allows you to send information to your users even when they aren't running. It is an incredibly powerful tool, as they state here. On my app, I have not enabled that, but in the case that you want to be able to enable that, you'll be able to put in an AirBop key, but you first have to go to airbop.com, which I did not go to, which I may experiment with that. And then finally, once you're satisfied with your app, you're able to build that app, and we'll show you right here after the break how that app turned out for us. Alright, so once you've gotten your app done, I'm going to show you here. Once you build the app, how it looks. And so as you can see, I have my contact, my like us, my gallery, my podcasts, amongst other things. So I'm just going to try to click on the contact us, and as you can see, it has my personal information there. If you notice here, it allows me to go back to a previous page once I select one of the icons, to go to whatever feature on the app I want to go to. So as you can see here, I'm able to go to my Facebook app. And it takes you to Spears Computer World Facebook app. And as I told you, you can go back here and go to different other pages. So I'm going to go to the gallery there. Amongst other things, you can go to our podcast. And I'll just select a podcast. I'll play a podcast. We're here live in Spears Computer World, here talking about the BlackBerry. So your users are able to go into the podcast within the app. Of course, our YouTube videos. Last and certainly not least, our website.
And one good thing about it, folks, is the app runs seamlessly. It, as you can see, it has no lag. So you do, you know, uh, have an app. You're able to develop apps that are very fluid and professional looking. And so, as I turn this off, just gonna conclude here. If you you know if you have a website, a blog, or anything that you're trying to get some, just get fans, get a nice fan base, or if you're trying to get yourself known or market your self-starting company, Andromo is the type of software, browser-based software that'll help you to get that exposure, and then you'll be able to go into the Amazon App Store. You'll be able to go into the Google Play App Store, so that people can know about what it is that you're offering. We have not paid the $25 fee to go into Google Play, but we will soon, because this is a great opportunity for us to market Spirits Computer World. We are about let's say 5 years old, but as far as us marketing the brand, we've just now taken advantage of the social media and amongst other things. So we hope that this review that you saw earlier, going through the site with Andromo, has been helpful. If there's anything that we can help you with, just subscribe to our video, and ask you a question at the bottom of the video, and we'll try to get back with you. I'll try to get back with you. I like to answer your questions, so if I don't know the answer, I'll get the answer for you. So this is Spirits Computer World signing out.